let's look at the associativity of scalar multiplication. So let alpha and beta be two real numbers, and we have u be a vector in Rn. Then the claim is we need to show that alpha times beta u is the same as alpha times beta times u. So as u is a vector in Rn, so it has a representation of x1 up to xn, which are n tuples of numbers. Then what is alpha times u? Alpha times beta times u, so which is the same as alpha times, so when you use the scalar multiplication, so we are multiplying each coordinates by beta, so which is beta x1 up to beta xn we have. Then again we can multiply this by alpha, so which is alpha beta x1 to alpha beta xn we have, so which is we can take this one, so we can have this one because multiplication in the set of real number, this is because multiplication in the set of real number is associative. So since it's associative, we can have this one, so which is we can take out this alpha times beta and remain with these coordinates xn, so which is the same as alpha times beta times u. Thank you for watching.